Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your new quick enrollment settings. The first thing we're going to do is set up your preferred leg placement for new enrollees. So we're going to do that by logging into the VBO first. I'm already logged in and on my home dashboard. So from here, I'm going to go up to the top right, click on my account, and then go to the bottom left and find preferred placement. Click on that. And then you can see here that I have my setting left leg. If you click on drop down, you can see right leg and not specified. I'm going to go ahead and keep it on left leg and then click submit. After we've selected our preferred placement, we're going to go back to livepeer.com. I have a tab open where I'm already logged in. After you log in, you're going to go to your My Accounts page in the top right. So I'm going to click My Account here. And then you'll see a new tab on the left menu called Quick Enrollment. Click on that. Here you can select and customize the packs you want to show for this new page. So you can select up to 3 packs for enrollment and 3 packs for SmartShip. Click on any of these cards to get started. I'm going to go ahead and just select 1 pack for enrollment and then 1 pack for SmartShip to get started. After you select your packs, you can click Save and Share. And then all you have to do is click on Share to get the link. Here I've just copied my link, and then you can share that to anyone you wish to enroll with this new page. You can also preview the page that your new enrollees will see here. You can also copy settings from your sponsor or your leader and go to Import Link here on the top and paste their link right here, and then click Import Settings. And then they'll copy the packs from their settings. And that's basically all you need to know about quick enrollment. Thank you and have a good day.